Have you ever spent countless hours meticulously formatting your manuscript in Word, only to upload it to KDP and watch it crumble into a formatting nightmare? The dread, the frustration, the endless tweaking. It's enough to make any author pull their hair out. But what if there was a tool that promised to make KDP formatting not just tolerable but easy? A tool that could generate perfectly formatted files for both your ebook and print book, ready to upload with confidence? The question on every self-publisher's mind, then, becomes, is Atticus compatible with KDP? It's a crucial question because compatibility isn't just about whether a file opens. It's about whether it opens correctly, whether all your careful design choices translate seamlessly, and whether you're setting yourself up for success or a headache. For years, authors have struggled with the complexities of KDP's formatting requirements. We've wrestled with margins, agonized over fonts, and despaired over reflowable text. Then came Atticus, a promising new player in the book formatting landscape, boasting an all-in-one solution for writers and publishers. But can it really deliver on that promise when it comes to the behemoth that is Amazon KDP? Let's cut to the chase. Yes, Atticus is fully compatible with KDP. This isn't just a hopeful claim. It's a core design principle of the software. Atticus was built from the ground up with KDP's specifications in mind, generating files that adhere to Amazon's latest requirements for both Kindle ebooks and print-on-demand paperbacks and hardcovers. This means you can design your book's interior within Atticus, hit export, and confidently upload the resulting EPUB for your ebook and print-ready PDF for your physical editions directly to KDP. But what does fully compatible actually mean in practice? It goes beyond simply producing a file type KDP accepts. Atticus handles the intricate details that often trip up authors using less specialized software. Think about things like proper margins, which are absolutely critical for a professional-looking print book. Atticus gives you precise control over these, ensuring your text isn't awkwardly hugging the edge of the page or disappearing into the gutter. It also manages trim sizes, a seemingly simple choice that can have a profound impact on your book's final appearance and printing costs. With Atticus, you select your desired trim size, and the software adjusts everything accordingly, removing a significant layer of guesswork and potential errors. Then there's the magic of reflowable text for ebooks. Unlike print books, ebooks need to adapt to various screen sizes and reader preferences. Atticus excels at creating clean, reflowable EPUBs that look good on Kindles, tablets, phones, and every other e-reading device out there. It ensures your headings, paragraphs, and special formatting elements behave as they should, no matter how a reader customizes their viewing experience. This is a huge advantage over trying to force a static PDF into an ebook format, which often results in a clunky, frustrating reading experience for your audience. One of Atticus's standout features when it comes to KDP compatibility is its robust set of pre-designed themes and its custom theme builder. These themes aren't just pretty. They're built with publishing standards in mind. You can choose from a wide variety of professional layouts for your chapter headings, ornamental breaks, and overall text presentation, all of which are designed to render perfectly on KDP. If you want even more control, the custom theme builder allows you to fine-tune every element, from font choices, and Atticus supports a massive library of fonts, to line spacing, giving your book a unique and professional aesthetic without compromising KDP's technical demands. Beyond the aesthetics, Atticus also streamlines the functional elements crucial for KDP. Automatically generated tables of contents, for both ebooks and print, are a godsend. No more manually creating and linking every chapter. This saves immense time and reduces the chance of errors that can delay your book's approval on KDP. It also handles front and back matter effortlessly, providing pre-built sections for copyright pages, dedication pages, epigraphs, author bios, and more. This ensures all the necessary components of a published book are present and correctly formatted, making your KDP submission process smoother and faster. But what if you have images in your book? That's another area where Atticus shines with KDP compatibility. It allows you to easily insert images, and critically, it handles image compression and resolution appropriately for both ebook and print formats. For ebooks, Atticus strategically compresses images to keep file sizes down, which is important for faster downloads and lower delivery costs on KDP's royalty structure. For print, it ensures images are high resolution enough for crisp, clear printing. It even supports full bleed images, where your images extend to the very edge of the page, a professional touch that can be notoriously difficult to achieve with other tools. Let's also touch upon the previewer function within Atticus. Before you even think about uploading to KDP, Atticus lets you preview your book on various devices, simulating how it will look on different Kindles, iPads, iPhones, and in print format. This real-time visual feedback is invaluable for catching any potential formatting glitches before they become a problem on KDP's end. It's like having a built-in KDP previewer, allowing you to iterate and perfect your book's appearance with confidence. Some authors might wonder about the difference between Atticus and Kindle Create, Amazon's own free formatting tool. While Kindle Create is a decent option for very simple books, it has significant limitations. It's less flexible in terms of design choices, offers fewer customization options, and often produces less polished results compared to a dedicated tool like Atticus. Moreover, Kindle Create can sometimes lock you into Amazon's ecosystem, making it harder to use your formatted files for other platforms. Atticus, on the other hand, provides universal EPUB and PDF exports that are compatible not just with KDP, but also with other major retailers like IngramSpark and Draft2 Digital, giving you true cross-platform flexibility. In essence, Atticus acts as a bridge, translating your creative vision into a technical format that KDP understands and approves without a hitch. It takes the pain out of formatting, allowing you to focus on what you do best, writing compelling stories and sharing your knowledge with the world. By consistently updating its features to align with KDP's evolving requirements, Atticus remains a reliable and forward-thinking solution for self-publishing authors. So, if you're looking to publish your book on Amazon KDP and want a tool that not only makes the formatting process easy but also guarantees a professional, polished outcome, Atticus is an excellent choice. It's designed to save you time, reduce frustration, and ultimately, help you create a book that looks fantastic and stands out on the digital and physical shelves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.